So as you guys can tell, there's a ton of bird action going on, and I just came out, I set up my hammock, and now we're gonna go sit in the hammock and do some bird watching early in the morning just in my backyard. And it doesn't have to be a spectacular place to sit in a hammock. You just set it up in your backyard, front yard, whatever. You make the place spectacular. Alright, so let's go get the big lens and then check out some of these birds. Alright guys, it is, we've been out here for 2.5 hours just sitting here, enjoying the hammock, enjoying the warm morning, the sunrise, the birds, the squirrels, just, you know, experiencing nature while sitting in our hammock, and also up on the deck, because sometimes my camera would make some noise and spook all the birds away, so I had to go inside for a while, grabbed a cup of coffee, ate some food, came back out, and it just so happens to be that we're getting some more rain. It seems to be raining every day up here in New York, but we're getting more rain tonight, or actually in 2 hours the cloud cover came over and dropped like 5 degrees already. So the comfortable clothes that I was in right now, it's getting a little bit too cold for that. Also, I don't have the rainfly up, Nature's Hangout rainfly. But I think we had a fun experience this morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna cut it short now because it's getting cold and the rain's coming. The cloud cover is just like as far as you can see. just changed like that. So thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be posting new videos 2 times a week, either every Monday and Wednesday or every Wednesday and Saturday like it's been. But be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notifications so you guys know when to check out our posts. That way you get notifications of when we post. Also, if you guys want daily things, we have an Instagram and Facebook page, Nature's Hangout or @Nature's Hangout. Go ahead and follow us, and if you have product that we sell and you have pictures of it, send it to us, and we'll reshare it daily on the Instagram and Facebook. We love the support. That's what makes us who we are. You guys make us who we are. Thank you guys so much. Remember, guys, hang out in nature, have some fun, all right? Keep smiling. It's a beautiful day, even though it's gonna rain. See you later.